Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Asus ROG Phone 7 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both and download free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, tap on OK. Finally, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Asus and receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Asus ROG. You can finally click on all of those categories located at the top, and from them select all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you finish, click on Send next to Selected, located at the bottom. Then hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and select one of those connection ways. If you want to input this key into Input Key section, you need to click here, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then tap on Receive button. If you prefer to scan this QR code instead, click on this little scanning icon above User Guide, here, QR code icon. Then tap on while using the app or only this time. And last but not least, point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, in the matter of seconds, my video was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!